Before beginning, make sure to have the following items. Beginning with at least 40 millimeters of fiber, use the template provided to mark the strip length indicated. Remove the 900 micron jacket to expose 250 micron fiber. Remove the 250 micron coating to expose the 125 micron fiber. Clean the bare fiber with an alcohol wipe. Seat the fiber in the cleaver so the end of the 900 micron is on the 17 millimeter line of the cleaver. And proceed with cleaving the fiber. Install the boot onto the 900 micron fiber. Remove the retainer clip. Insert the bare fiber into the connector body, making sure the fiber is fully seated, and engage the button. Remove the dust cap and test the connection using a visual fault locator. The window should have a dimmed glow, ensuring the fiber is properly seated. If the window is glowing bright red, the fiber is not properly seated. Attach the retainer clip, remove the connector, and repeat connector installation steps. Remove the light source and put the dust cap back on. Use standard testing procedures at this point if required. Install the boot onto the connector. Your termination is complete.